best weight loss supplement in the world. If a person eats more calories than he or she burns, the person gains weight. The body will store the excess energy as fat. Being overweight or clinically obese is when you have a high calorie intake and low energy expenditure. To lose weight, you can either reduce your calorie intake, or do regular exercise and reduce calorie intake at the same time. Obesity is serious because it is associated with poorer mental health outcomes and reduced quality of life. This is also associated with the leading causes of death in the United States and worldwide, including diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and some types of cancer. How furious is it, right? There are so many different factors that impact one's ability to lose weight and keep it off in the long term. While proper diet and exercise are a must, some find that adding a supplement to their daily routine makes it much easier to achieve their weight loss goals. Here comes your simple solution with a simple medicine, Metacor. Metacor is a metabolism-boosting supplement crafted with all natural ingredients to ensure users lose weight naturally and effectively. This supplement helps awaken a sleeping metabolism to fasten the body's digestive system, and flush out unhealthy toxins, both of which are common causes of weight gain. After carrying out extensive research, researchers and manufacturers of Metacor claim to have finally discovered the secret ingredient required to promote natural and effective weight loss. The supplement's approach is not to offer an overnight weight loss experience, but instead, the supplement focuses on healthy and natural weight loss. After all, being fit is not only emotionally satisfying and an essential confidence booster, but also helps one live a healthier and fitter life. This natural supplement is available in the form of oral capsules that are easy to swallow. The supplement consists of natural ingredients that are extracted from the purest organic sources, then run through lab tests, which ensure each ingredient is active. Metacor ingredients. Number 1, Moringa oleifera. It's an excellent detoxifier. Also, using the right amount of moringa can help people to improve their immune health. Immune efficiency is a little-known secret to weight loss. A well-functioning immune system can make it easier to work out and diet consistently while experiencing constant improvement to weight. Number 2, ginger. Most people already know what ginger is. The ingredient is mostly used as an anti-inflammatory. Following especially hard workouts, our muscles can become stressed and inflamed. This can make it more difficult to continue to exercise, which inhibits our ability to lose weight. Ginger can help to prevent this cycle of failure. Number 3, African mango. While African mango doesn't help people improve their workouts, it does serve an important function in the dieting process. Consuming African mango is a great way to naturally decrease your appetite without some of the side effects of less natural methods of doing the same. Number 4, citrus bioflavonoids. Blood flow is another essential component of workouts and weight loss processes. When used properly, citrus bioflavonoids improves blood flow while also reducing inflammation. This is a dually effective way to help people work out for longer and more effectively. Number 5, fucoxanthin. According to the Journal of Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism, using fucoxanthin in healthy amounts helps to improve weight loss. The compound does this primarily by reducing inflammation and preventing fat tissue from developing. Number 6, vitamin B12. This is a big one. Thousands of new supplements featuring a hefty dose of B12 are cropping up this year, and with good reason. A proper dose of vitamin B12 can help people to maximize the health of their nerves while also maximizing blood flow all over the body and its organs. Number 7, turmeric rhizome. Turmeric is another leading supplement ingredient in 2020. Like vitamin B12, it can decrease inflammation and reduce the pain we feel in our muscles following a difficult workout. Turmeric rhizome comes with an additional benefit: it releases dopamine in the body, making us feel happy and more motivated to continue working. Number 8, chromium. Chromium is one of the most stressed and featured ingredients in this particular formula. It can help people with type 2 diabetes improve their disease by better regulating insulin. Insulin issues can kill weight loss progress, so Chromium's work to improve insulin processes can be extremely helpful. If you're looking for a supplement that promotes a healthy metabolism along with natural fat burning and weight loss, look no further than Metacore. This supplement is uniquely formulated with potent superfoods to increase metabolism, which is often caused by a low core body temperature due to age. Each bottle contains 30 capsules, which is 30 servings. So, a single bottle will last you an entire month. To get best results, take one Metacore capsule on a daily basis. I would suggest you to take Metacore capsules for at least 90 to 180 days to allow it the time it needs to promote internal weight loss. The good news, you don't have to be worried about side effects or developing addiction. You can order the enhancement supplement from the manufacturer's official website only. Just click on this video description link and order now. And finally, we come to the end of Metacore reviews. We hope we have guided you well about Metacore. You have absolutely nothing to risk here. So, what are you waiting for? Get your bottle of Metacore today. From video description link.